Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I make apple puree for my baby. So I'm using two red apples. You can use any apple of your choice, either the red or the green apple. So for me, I'm using the red apple, and then after washing it, I go ahead to peel the back of the apples using my peeler. So I peel the back of the apples, and then after peeling the back of the apple, I cut them into smaller sizes and put them in a bowl. So just like I'm doing in the video. So my apples are actually spoiled, so I'm just going to take out the bad area. So after cutting these apples into sizes, I go ahead to wash it and steam. So this is my pot of boiling water. I added water to it and a sieve. Because I don't have a steamer, I have to improvise by putting my apples into a sieve and put in water for it to boil. So the boiling water will steam the apples, but not directly. So after boiling for like 30 minutes, I go ahead to blend my apples. I added a little water and I blended it to very smooth consistency, and your baby can take this from 6 months upwards. So after blending, you can feed your baby directly, like put in your baby's bowl and feed. But for me, I was making this so that I can use it to feed my baby subsequently. So I put it into a bowl and I put it inside my freezer. So you can keep this for 2 days, but please, if you are storing this, make sure that your baby takes this within 2 days. After 2 days, it won't be so good for your baby to take if it's put in the fridge, not the freezer. Okay, so I just covered it up and I use this for my baby's pap. I put it in his oats. I put it in his cereal as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching.